so this is my analysis on DXY. If you watched my previous analysis on DXY, I said I'm predicting DXY to the upside around this level because we can see there is an impulse, a correction of the descending channel, and a possible move to the upside. That's what I'm seeing right here. And if we zoom in a little bit more, we can see there is an impulse, a correction around this level, which means there's a possibility that we might push up to at least my right here, which is around my negative 90% level, and also aligns with my negative 27% level Fibonacci. So let's see, we can see a break of structure here, and I'm seeing a retest around this trend line. So I'm still seeing a possible move to the upside. But let's look at the current price. We can see this current price right here. We can see whenever it gets to this trend line, it bounces off of this trend line. So there's a possibility we might get to this trend line, then we'll see how it reacts around this trend line to see if you're going to continue to the upside. And we can see right here is giving more of like a double bottom as well. So that's also a possibility that we might push to the upside. So I'm seeing different confluences that's giving us that we might probably push to the upside. But let's look at the current price and see what is happening. We can see it has been rejecting all this trend line right here. So I saw a possible impulse right here, and I'm thinking there's more of like a correction to the downside first before we continue to push to the downside. So let me just delete this previous one I did. So I'm seeing more of a possible move to at least this level right here to the next target, and we can see this level right here. There's a break of structure around this level, and it hasn't retested yet. So this is an imbalance right here, and also aligns with my 88.6% fib level. So I'm predicting it to at least come down to this right here, to continue to come down to finish this correction move, then go to the upside, which is around this level as of right now, before we now predict what will happen next. Is it that it's going to continue to push up because I'm still seeing more of an uptrend, or it's gonna like break this low right here? So that's a possibility, but as of right now I'm still seeing more of an uptrend. But let's take it one step at a time. So my prediction is just for it to at least get to this level right here to finish the correction phase of the overall direction to up at this level right here. So that's just my prediction on DXY. So hi guys, this is my analysis on gold. If you look at my previous analysis on gold, I said I was predicting gold to at least push down to this direction right here. So it might give us like first touch, second touch, and a possible third touch now go to the uptrend. As long as we are still above this trend line right here, we are on an uptrend on gold, and we can see it did similar to what I thought. The last time I analyzed gold, I think the price was around this level, and we can see we are currently at the trend line that I thought it would get to before we continue to the upside. So let me delete this since it has been done. So let's see, now that we are currently at this trend line right here, let's see if it bands, and there's possibility to band because we're looking at the prior price action, which means whenever it gets to this level it bounces, and we can see right here there's a big rejection around this level, and it's somehow creating more of like a W pattern, which signifies that we might continue to push us to the direction we think we might get to. So that's what I'm still saying on and we can also see it rejecting of this level. Also we can see rejecting of this trend line right here also aligns with my 78.6% fib level. So let's see if we continue to reject my target, which is around this level right here. This is my target as of right now, but we have to be also considerate about this zone right here, because there's a zone right here. So we have to look how we react at the zone. If there's a possibility, if it rejects all the zone, we might push up to our next target, which is around this level right here. So that's a possibility. And like I used to say, no one can predict the market 100%. So there's also a chance that it might break off this level. No one knows the market exactly. We are just analyzing based on what has happened previously. It doesn't mean it can repeat itself. It has to repeat itself. So, but in case if we break this trend line right here and we see more of like a weak rejection around that trend line to retest, there's a possibility that we might push down to at least the next trend line, which is around that level. But as of right now, I'm still seeing more of a bullish move rather than a bearish move, because we are still on this above this trend line right here. So hope this is insightful, guys. And so this is just my overall on gold. So let me cut. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, share and comment, and I will see my next analysis on. Thank you.